Hi everyone, my name is Christine and today I'm going to be guiding you guys through a really quick and simple recipe of the chocolate banana and ice cream. So before you guys start, make sure you guys have a parent with you because we are going to be needing to use the blender, and make sure you wash your hands as well. So the ingredients of what we're going to need today, we're going to be needing frozen bananas. You can just, if you have like ripe bananas lying around, you can just chop it up and put it in the freezer. It's super easy too. We're going to be needing plant milk. I'm using soy today, but there is like a wide variety of plant milk that you guys can use, like almond, coconut, rice milk, oat milk. And we're going to be needing cacao powder as well. This is the unrefined version of cocoa powder, so it's got all the magnesium, fiber, iron that you don't necessarily get from cocoa powder, which is a lot better for you too. And lastly, we're just going to be needing some vanilla extract. What we're going to be needing is just like a cup or cup and a half of bananas. You can kind of just play it by eye and just see like how much smoothie or like an ice cream you guys actually want. I'm just going to be putting it into the blender. I just kind of eyeball it. You can put like a cup and a half, just really depends on how much smoothie and ice cream you guys actually want. We're going to be using a teaspoon or a teaspoon and a half of cacao powder, also just really dependent on your preference and how like chocolatey you guys want it, because this is super potent and it's really strong as well, so a little definitely does go a long way. We're going to be needing a splash of milk, and just keep it on hand as well, because like during the blending process, if you guys want to make it smoother or creamier, you can always add more later. And just a teaspoon of vanilla extract. From here, we're just going to be blending it. It takes a little bit to puree and blend, so just stick with it and it will get the result. There's a lot of different ways you could serve this. For me personally, I usually like to make it into like a smoothie bowl situation and just put some toppings like banana, extra banana, peanut butter, some cacao nibs. So this is the final product. It's kind of like a soft serve sundae situation, and it's really nice. And yeah.